Visit the GRA's website, www.gra.gov.gy, to download all the prerequisites required to set up the PDF generation. Click the individual income tax return bulk PDF generator link, and you will be taken to the bulk creation of pre-filled employees' individual income tax returns. There are three major steps to follow. Firstly, you are required to download the user manual. Secondly, you may proceed to download the tools as follows: IIT folders, Foxit Reader, bulk PDF tool. Note, these files are all in an archived format and will require extraction on completion of download. Before proceeding to set up the tools, please ensure you read the user manual. Lastly, proceed to set up the files and folders, which will allow you to generate and print the IIT forms for each of your employees. When extracting the IIT PDF folder and template, ensure the destination path is set to your C drive. If you're using WinRAR, simply right-click on the IIT PDF folders file, then click on Extract Files. Change the destination path to the C drive, and then click on OK. It is extremely important that you extract these two folders directly onto your C drive. When the extraction process is completed, browse to the C drive of your computer to ensure the folders have been extracted correctly. Two folders should appear: IIT PDF Output and IIT PDF Template. The output folder will be empty, while the template folder should contain 3 files. After you have verified the folders and files were extracted correctly, you can now proceed to extract the bulk PDF and the Foxit Reader setup files. Note, these files can be extracted to any location. After extraction, you can proceed to install these two software tools. To install the bulk PDF tool, simply right-click on the extracted file and click on Open or Run as Administrator. To install the Foxit Reader tool, simply right-click on the extracted file and click on Open or Run as Administrator. When installing the Foxit Phantom Pdf software, ensure you do not install a free 14-day trial.